Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pull request template in GitHub. To add a pull request template, open your repository and click the Add File button on the main branch, and then choose Create New File. And name it .github/pull_request_template.md. Inside the file, write the structure you want contributors to follow. For example, sections like Summary of Changes, Related Issue, Steps to Test, and Screenshots. You can also add checklist items such as code review reminders or testing confirmations. For now, I'm going to be using a template that I found on the web for you to follow. This is just a standard and simple one, so you won't be overwhelmed. Once your template text is ready, press Commit Changes. And if you're coding this in the main branch, then just send it straight there. But alternatively, if you're using a different branch, then just do a pull request to bring this into the main branch. Now after saving, any new pull request will automatically include your template, ensuring consistent information every time someone submits code changes. And that's how to add a pull request template in GitHub.